In this video, we'll cover how you can actually pin a comment on a Facebook live stream. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Nick Bolkowski, and on this channel we cover all things live streaming and videography and how you can use that to grow your business. And in this video, I want to just give you a basic instructions on how to pin a comment on Facebook, and we'll cover a few reasons why you might want to do so. So first of all, we're going to jump in behind the scenes here. We're on the Facebook. In our Facebook Live producer channel, we have a stream live. You can see the streams live right here. Just note it's going to be slightly delayed, so you will see that. But let's just put a comment right here. Cool. So we have a comment there, just posted that comment, and you're going to notice right away after you add a comment, you can go ahead and click pin. And so you can see there's a little indicator right here that the pin is there. And let's jump over just to see what it's like on the actual stream. You can see right here in the live stream, there's the comment there, and you can see the pinned comment right here. Another thing to note is that you're able to pin or unpin any of these items from either the actual live stream, the viewer page, right here, it's right below that comment, or from behind the scenes on the live producer page, you're gonna be able to pin or unpin any comments right from that page. You can use pinned comments in a variety of ways, and they can be very beneficial in your live stream. For example, if you want to get some interaction going right away, right when you start out your stream, you might want to do a simple pinned comment asking where people are watching from and asking them to leave a comment to get some of that engagement going immediately when people start arriving on your live streams. Also, if you have special questions that are asked throughout the stream, specific questions that you want people to respond to, using a pinned comment is going to be a great way to ensure that that happens right away. So I highly recommend, if you know some of those are built into your outline or to your script, have those pre-written, especially if you have a teammate who's helping manage comments, have those pre-written and ready to go, and just paste them in as comments and then pin them during the appropriate sections of your live stream. And then that way people are going to be able to see that a little easier because it does stand out a little bit more, and then they're going to be able to respond to those quicker. Another key thing to do to use pinned comments for is actually calls to action. I love using it for those. Say you want to have somebody go visit another social media channel or something like that, being able to put that comment in there and then pin it with a link is going to help drive people to that. So if you have a special offer available to viewers, pinning that comment with that link is going to help drive people to that offer and help get you some conversions. And using a comment as a call to action is a great way to help drive some more traffic. So if you type in a comment with a URL and hit that, and then the URL is going to be active, and you can go and pin that comment, and then it'll be available kind of sitting there up on top for people. It stands out both on the desktop, it's highlighted, as well on your mobile phone, it's going to be highlighted as well. So that's a great way to help make sure you drive some more traffic through your pinned comments. So those are just a few reasons why you might want to start pinning some comments on your Facebook Live. If you're interested in learning more about Facebook Live, be sure to hit this playlist right here. It goes deep, it does a deep dive of all the features available in Facebook Live. And also be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.